Hmm. A very good morning to all of you. Please confirm if I'm audible. All right. So last class, we were discussing ages and single ratio problems, mostly based on the difference of age, which never changes. We have done. There was one problem which we have done in which sum was given. I've told you this. Whenever sum is given, please always calculate the average. Okay. All right. So now we are going to next. Let's see one question again based on age difference. Okay, please try this question immediately. Older, younger, all these statement means age difference is given. 40 is 30 years older. Older means age difference. So age difference is given 30 years. However, he will be, okay, will means future, only thrice as old as the son after 5 years. So after 5 years, father is 3 times of the son. 40. Okay. 3, 1, 2. Okay. All right. So from where I will start is this. Age difference is given, I know, but I will say this part first. So after 5 years, father and son. Okay. The relation is given thrice. Okay. So can I take the relation this way? Son is 1 year old and father is 3. So, father is thrice. That's why I'm taking this. You can take 2 and 6 also if you want. Okay. So these are just temporary values. I will change it. Right now, I have just seen father is 3 times. Okay. So if son is 1, father is 3. If son is x, father is 3x. Any way you can take. If I take the difference of ages now, what is the age difference? What is the age difference? You will say, sir, 3 minus 1, that is 2. And what is the age difference given? Age difference is given as 30 years. All right. Can I take this 30 value in the future? Is it okay? Can I take the 30 value in the future? Or will it be different? Can I take it? Yes, because it never changes. So age difference 30, in the future also it will remain 30. So I want 30. What should I do? What should I multiply? I want 30. So what should I multiply? 50. Okay. So once you multiply with 15, once you multiply with 15, 15, 50. Age difference will become 30. 45 and 15. 45 minus 15 will give you 30. So that means these are the confirmed values now. Father 45, son 50. So will you say father's present age is 45? Will you say father's present age? No. Then how much? This is future. So present will be 45 plus or minus? 45 plus or minus for father? I know 45, but 45 is future. So present will be minus. Okay. Minus how much? This is 5 years future. So minus 5, 40. So father is 40. So 40 years this way come out to be your answer. If you want to solve it with variable, in that case, I'm saying, just one thing will be extra. You will say this is 1x, this is 3x. So age difference 2x. Age difference 2x means it will be equal to 30. So x equal to 15. So if you directly multiply, you will multiply with 15. If you take a variable x, the variable will come out to be 15. Both are 99% same approach. So carefully see now, is it clear or not? Okay. Now, one more question. A little bit difficult to understand what statement they have given. Okay, but try to understand. A father said to his son, was means in the past, I was as old as you are at present, at the time of your birth. Okay, at the time of your birth. Okay, carefully understand what the father is saying. Was means there is a talk of the past. Okay, how much in the past? At the time of your birth. So father is talking about past when son was just born. So father is talking about the past when son was just born. Okay, and at present he is saying something. All right, carefully see please. In the present, father is talking about the past. He is saying, when you were born, I was the same age as you are now. Meaning is, if son is 10, father is saying, I was 10 when you were born. If son is 20, father is saying, I was 20 years old when you were born. This is what the father is saying. So carefully try to understand. Is this point clear? Father is trying to say that these two values are same. Carefully see. I was the same age when you were born. Okay. I was the same age. Your age, my age were same. When you were born, my age, your age, same. This is what the father is saying. All right. Now, age is not given. Just example I've taken. So father is saying, if the son's present age is X, father is saying, I was the same age when you were born. Okay, how much is father right now? Question has given 38 years. Okay. So, two timelines are there. One is past. How much in the past? I don't know. And one is present. What should I do? Give the answer. What should I do? As per the statement, as per the present age of the father, I have written everything. Now, next what? Age difference. Okay. What is the age difference? What will you say age difference? You will say, sir, age difference x minus 0 equal to x. What is the age difference? Father minus son. That means 38 minus x. As per the knowledge which we have, age difference is never changing. Age difference is always constant. So can I say 38 minus x should be equal to x? Both these values must be same, yes or not? Yes? Carefully see. Okay. Please solve it. How much x value you will get? 19. Okay. So this x will go there as plus x. So 2x equal to 38. So x equal to 19. All right. X equal to 19. All right. Now I have to answer. Son's age 5 years back. Okay. This is present. 5 years in the past, I have to answer. So what will you say? 14. 19 minus 5. 5 years in the past. So 19 minus 5. They are asking about son, not father. Okay. So this will be 14. So B option becomes correct this way. So these statements like when he was born, then this. Okay. These are very important statements. Okay. And please remember, whenever a person is born, his age will be taken as 0. Okay. Please remember this also. If nothing comes out, I mean, if you cannot think anything how to create equation, then age difference most of the times will be the kind of solution. Okay. So age difference is here a very important parameter. Check please again. Anything doubtful so far? All right. Next question. Okay. When I was born, my mother was 23 years of age. Okay. After 6 years, when my sister was born, my father was 34 years of age. What is the age difference between the parents? a very simple question. If you carefully understand that what age differences they have given, and what timeline they are talking about. If you carefully understand this very simple question. Yes, 5 is correct. All right. So timeline is not given like 10 years ago, 20 years ago, 30 years ago. Timeline is not given like that. Timeline is given this way: when I was born and when my sister was born. Okay, what time they were born, I don't know. Okay, so when I was born, mother was 23. Okay, when I was born, mother was 23. Okay. Now, after 6 years, when my sister was born, okay, after 6 years, I was born. After 6 years, my sister was born. After 6 years, my sister was born. So after 6 years, what will be the age of me? What will be my age? 6. 0 plus 6. Okay. So I will become 6. Now, after 6 years, when my sister was born, my father was 34 years. Okay. Father was 34 years. Okay. Please answer carefully. This is one different year. I don't know which year. This is one different year. Can I take the age difference with these values? Is it correct? Can I take age difference with these values and say 34 minus 23 answer? Is it correct? No. Why this is not correct is because this age belongs to different time. This age belongs to different time. So what age difference you are calculating is not valid difference. It is invalid difference. Okay, so please answer. Mother 23. In this time, mother's age is what? In this timeline. Plus 6. Okay, 23 plus 6. Because we are talking about after 6 years. So mother will be 23 plus 6, 29. Now I can take the age difference. So age difference equal to 34 minus 29. That is 5 years. All right. So this way we will have to solve. So please remember, age difference, a very important parameter, a very important. More than 50% of the question will be based on age difference, or somewhere age difference will be used for sure. Now next. Before I solve this question, you have to carefully answer something. Suppose I'm writing the year, okay? So 2010, 2020. So there is a person A, I'm saying the age is 35. I'm taking the same person, I'm saying the age is 40. Does it make sense? I'm talking about same person, not two person. Same person. Does it make sense? No. So why it does not make sense? Please understand. What is the difference of age? I'm not saying that age difference of two-person. I'm saying the age difference of the same person in two different times. If I take the age difference That is 40 minus 35. That is 5 years. How come the age difference is 5 years when you are taking the years having a difference of 10 years? It does not make sense, right? So what should make sense is, if this year difference is 10 years, here also the difference must be 10 years, yes or not? Yes, the difference must be same. Yes, for one person I'm talking, not two persons. For one person, the difference of the values, age values, should be equal to the difference of the time. That is 10 years. That's why it is wrong. All right. Now answer carefully. Suppose I'm saying the age as x, and here I'm saying the age is 2x. What should be the difference of these two values? How would you write? Can I say this? Please answer carefully. 2x minus x. The difference of these two values must be equal to 10 years, yes or not? Yes or not? Carefully answer. Yes. So this is what we have to do in this question. So carefully understand, please. How we have to do this question? Let's understand. Okay, 7 years ago. 7 years ago. The ages of A and B were in the ratio. Ages of A and B were in the ratio 4:5. Okay. 7 year hence. 7 year hence. That means later. Okay. They will be in the ratio 5:6. My dear, right now it is ratio. I have not written the ratio sign, but right now it is ratio. Okay. Please answer something. I'm explaining this way. Suppose I'm assuming 2000 is present, or 2020 is present year. Just assumption. If 2020 is present year, what is the year 7 years ago? Which one? 7 years ago. You will say, sir, 2013. And 7 years later, present is this. So 7 years later means 2027. All right. Now comes the first point. Leave about the year. This is one timeline. This is one timeline. In this timeline, what is the age difference of two person? What is the age difference? 1. Okay. Right now it is ratio. Okay. I'm checking one thing. In this timeline, that is 2027, what is the age difference? What is the age difference? 1 year. Same. Okay. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay. Age difference is same. Okay. So condition is followed. Age difference is same. Now take one person. Okay. Take one person. Please answer. What should be the difference of these two? What should be the difference? Should be. Should be. Right now it is 1. But see, 2013 and 2027. What should be the difference of these two values? How 7? 2013 and 27. How many years difference? 14 years. So the values difference also must be 14 years. Yes or not? Carefully answer. Yes or not? The same way I was telling you this now. You said, sir, it does not make sense. 2020, 2010. This is, I've taken 35. This I've taken 40. It does not make sense because 5 years and here the difference is 10 years. So similarly, here also something is not making sense. Here the difference is 1 year and here the difference is 14 years. So it is not making sense. So please answer, what should I multiply so that it makes sense? What should I multiply? 14. Because right now it is 1. I want 14. So multiply by 14. All right. So question is nearly done. Nearly. Okay. Now carefully answer. 14, 4, 56. 14 into 5, 70. What is the difference now? Check please. Is it 14? Yes. So anything which is confusing now or anything which is not logical now, anything which is not logical now, anything. Check the age difference. Check it. 14 5 70, 14 4 56. Age difference 14. Here also age difference 14. Makes sense. What is the difference? 14. What is the difference? 14. What is the difference? 14. Everything makes sense. Everything. So that means now you can calculate your answer. Okay. So for B, they are asking calculate either using this or using this. Your choice. So answer please. Okay. See please. This is the age of B 7 years ago. That is 14 5 70. Okay, 7 years ago, this was the age. Present will be 70 plus or 70 minus. Answer please. 70 plus or minus. This is past. Present will be greater. So 70 plus. Okay. 70 plus 7, 77. All right. Suppose if you calculate the age of B, present age, I'm saying using this. This is 84. But this is in the future. So will you say present is 84 plus or minus? Answer please. 84 plus or minus. This is future. So present will be less. So minus 7. 84 minus 7, 77. Either using this or using this. Answer will come out as same. Understood the concept? Please carefully answer. A very important category of question. Very important. All right. Now, let's take one more question, exactly similar. Only values have been changed. Please try this question. Don't change the approach. The first thing you will check is, my dear, 4 and 5. This was 4 ratio 5 and 5 ratio 6. So directly I have taken the values from the ratio. Once you directly take the values from the ratio, one condition you have to check. That one condition, the first most condition is that age difference must be same. Must be same. That should be the condition which has to be checked first. So similarly, in this question also, the ratio is not given like 4 ratio 5, 5 ratio 6, but yes, 4 times means 4 ratio 1. 4 times means 4 ratio 1. And next one, twice. Twice means 2 ratio 1. So ratio is given in terms of word, twice and 4 times. Please try this question. Hmm. All right. So here also, assume the present year as 2020. Now, why we are assuming, although it is 2024, is because our calculation or thinking will be simple. Okay, that's why 2020. All right. The first information is 10 years ago. Okay, 10 years ago. So 10 years ago means 2020 minus 10, 2010. So 10 years ago, Chandravati's mother. Okay, so Chandravati is daughter. So daughter is Chandravati. and mother. So Chandravati mother was 4 times older than her daughter. Okay, 4 times older. That means if daughter was 1 year, mother was 4 years. Sorry, 4 times older. Okay, after 10 years. Okay, next timeline. After 10 years. Okay, after 10 years, that means what is the year? What year I will take? What year I will take? 2030. Not 10 years later after this. Don't do plus 10. Present is 2020. So after 10 years with respect to present, 2030. Okay. Always. It means after present time. After 10 years, that means 10 years after present. So 30, not 20. Okay, twice. If daughter is 1, then mother is twice. 2 times. All right. The first thing I will check is right now it is ratio. It is ratio. I have not written the ratio sign, but it is ratio. The first thing I will check is the age difference. So tell me the age difference in 2010 and age difference in 2030, is it same? Is it same? No. Okay, so do something. Right now, let me write this. What is the age difference? 4 minus 1, that is 3. What is the age difference? 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay. So please do something. I want age difference to be same. Otherwise, I will not continue. So what should I do? Answer, please. I want it same. What should I do? Multiply by 3. Which one? This is 3. This is 1. If you have any confusion, do opposite. Here multiply by 1. Here multiply by 3. Okay. So multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. All right. So is this point clear? Just a minute. Is this point clear that why we have done this? Carefully answer. Any doubt in this? Anyone? We want age difference to be same. Anyhow. And why we can multiply is because we have taken the values from the ratio. That's why. Okay. 4 times. 4 ratio 1. Twice. That means 2 ratio 1. So in the ratio, we can modify the values. All right. So age difference now is same. Okay. So first confusion is over. Now second thing. Take any one person. One more multiplication you will have to do. Take mother. Okay, mother's age 4. Mother's age 6. Okay, 4 and 6. What is the difference? 4 and 6? 2 years. Okay. What should be the difference? What should be the difference? 20. Okay. The difference must be the difference of these 2 years. The difference is 20 years. So this difference also must be 20 years. This difference also must be 20 years. How will I make 20? Please answer that. What should I multiply? I want 20 years. Right now, I am getting 2 years. Multiply with 10. Okay. My dear, after this, there are 2 ways. One is multiply by 10. You can check after this. Multiply by 10. 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 All right. Now you can check. This is 40. This is 60. Is it any problem with these values, 40 and 60? Is it right? 40 and 60. Is it right? Yes, sir. Age difference is 20. Sir, 40 and 60. Sir, difference is 20. Difference is 20. Correct, sir. Okay, this is 10. This is 30. 10 and 30. The difference is 20. The difference is 20. The difference is 20. So, yes, perfectly fine. Okay, one more confirmation. What is the age difference? 40 and 10? 30. What is the age difference? 60 and 30? 30. Age difference also is same. So this way we will get our answer. So now these are the correct values, but I want present. I want the present age for Chandravati. I can calculate using this also or this also. So answer please. 20. Okay. Suppose I calculate using this. So daughter's age 10 in the past. So present will be 10 plus or minus. 10 plus or minus. This is past. Plus. Okay. So 10 plus 10. All right. Suppose I calculate using this. This is 30. So 30 minus or 30 plus? 30 minus or plus? Minus, because it is future. It is future, so present will be 30 minus. Okay, 30 minus 10. That is 20. Both ways, I will get 20 both ways. All right. So please remember this aspect of the questions. Okay. Now, second way. Second way is this. There you have directly thought that what should I multiply so that the difference becomes 20, difference becomes 20. Okay. Now here we will think this way. 2 into 3 and 1 into 3. I'm writing 6 and 3. Okay. All right. So now age difference, we have made it same. After we have done the age difference same, what I will do is I will take a variable. So let's take a variable. So I'm taking the variable x. Now you carefully answer. You don't know the values, but whatever these values are, what should be the difference of these two values? What should be? 20. Okay. So the difference of these two must be 20. So can I say 6x minus 4x? 6x belong to 2030. 4x belong to 2010. So the age difference must be 20, yes or not? So x equal to 10. Yes or not? Carefully see please. Okay. So there we were directly thinking x, that what should I multiply? Multiply with 10. Here we are taking a variable. Approach is same. No, no difference. Only difference is here you are writing a variable, there you are not writing the variable. Thinking process is same. So carefully see please. Anything doubtful? All right. Try one more question. Okay. There are lots of questions of this type in which they will take two-person, they will give you two ratios. One ratio will belong to one different time, and the second ratio will belong to a certain different time. A very important style of question, a very frequent question, you can say. Okay. So please be fast. A very simple approach. I've told you. Apply the same approach. All right. So one time is present time and one time is after 60 years. Okay. Two persons are there, Ram and Radha. Okay. Ram and Radha. Okay. One is present and one is after 60 years. After 60 years. Okay. Ages are not given. A ratio is given. Whenever ratio is given, I will take the values directly from the ratio, but those will be just temporary values. So 5 and 4. And next is 10 and 9. Okay, carefully answer. Check the age difference first. The age difference in present. The age difference in the future. Is it same? Is it same? Otherwise, I will do it. Is it same? Yes, okay. So age difference is already same. So no need to modify. Age difference 1. Here also age difference 1. All right. Now, once the age difference is same, it is already same. If it is same, there are two approaches now. One is without variable, one is with variable. Okay. So suppose I solve it without variable. So I will ask you this question. Take any one person. Take Ram. What is the difference of age? What is the difference of these two values? 5 years. Okay. What is the difference of these two times? Present and after 60 years? 60. Okay. Does it make sense? Present is 5. After 60 years, 10. Does it make sense? No. It does not make sense because right now these are temporary values. It will make sense. So please carefully answer. You are saying, sir, difference is 5. I want a difference of 60. I want a difference of 60 years. How to make this difference 60 years? Please answer. Right now it is 5. How much should I multiply? 12. Okay, 12. 12 into 5, 60. So multiply by 12. All right. Now check please. 12 into 5, 60. 10 into 12, 120. 60 and 120. Is the difference 60? Is it 60 now? Okay, check for Radha also. 12 4 48 and 12 9 108. 48 108. Is the difference 60 years? So yes. So now it makes sense. So now you can answer, okay, what is the Ram's present age? That is 60. So 60 years. So very simply, we can do these questions. So understood the approach. Whenever two ratios are given, how to solve it? With variable also, same approach will be there. Let me tell you that also. Once the age difference is same, you will take a variable. Take a variable. Take a variable. And now you will take any one person. Suppose I am taking Ram. So now answer please. These are two values. I don't know what is the value actually. These are two values I don't know. But what should be the difference of these two? How much should be the difference? 60. Okay. So 10x minus 5x should be equal to 60. That means 5x equal to 60. That means x equal to 12. So here we are taking a variable that is coming out to be 12. There also we thought 12. Here also it is coming out to be 12. The only difference is here variable is there. Their variable was not there. That is the only difference. difference. So now, suppose if I ask you one more question. What is the age of Radha after 12 years? After 12 years, age of Radha. What will you say? 60. This is 48. It is present. 48 is present. So after 12 years, 48 plus or minus? Plus. So 48 plus 12. So 48 plus 12. Again, 60 will be the answer. All right. So 60 years. All right. One more question is there. Please quickly try this. Question is different, not same type. Okay. Start, please. Right, Khushi. All right. See, please, the question is very simple if you don't complicate this. Very simple. 32, 34. All right. All right. So carefully see, please. Some age might be given in the question. Otherwise, you cannot tell any age. So some age might be given, and that is the age of Raj. Okay. So four timelines we are talking about. One is present. One is in 4 years. Okay, one time we are talking about 2 years ago. And one time we are talking about is 8 years from now. That means 8 years from now means from present. So 8 years later. All right. Nothing is given for this or this or this. For this time, the age of Raj is given. The age of Raj is given 32. All right. So please carefully answer first. 8 years later, this is the age. So what is the present age of Raj? What is the present? Plus or minus? Plus or minus? Minus. Okay, minus how much? Minus 8. Because 8 years later and present. So 8 years you have to subtract. So 32 minus 8. That is 24. All right. So age of Raj comes out as 24 in the present. Okay. So please answer. What is the age of Raj in 4 years? In 4 year means 4 years later with respect to present. So how much? 28. Okay. 28. All right. What is the age of Raj 2 years ago? If present is 24, 22. Okay. So age of Raj I have calculated in every single timeline mentioned in the question. 22. Okay. Now read the question. In 4 years. Okay. In 4 years. Father will be twice as Raj. So father how much? In 4 years, father will be twice as Raj. So father how much? Twice as Raj. Father how much? Twice of 28, 56. Okay, twice of 28, 56. All right, next what given? 2 years ago. Okay, 2 years ago, Raj's mother will be was twice as Raj. Okay, 2 years ago, mother was twice as Raj. So mother was how much in this time? Mother was twice of 22, that is 44. Okay, twice of 22, that is 44. All right. Are they asking about the age 2 years ago or age in 4 years? No, they are asking about present. So please don't tell me this, don't tell me this. With these two values, calculate the present now. So how will you answer? First, tell me about father. So father will be 56 minus or plus? 56 minus or plus? Minus, because this is future, this is present. So present will be less value. So minus 52. All right. Now tell me about the mother. 44 plus or minus? Plus or minus? Plus, because this is past, this is present. Present will be greater than the past. So 44 plus 2, 46. So this way we have got the present ages as 52 and 46. So 52, 46, D option correct. So understood or not, please carefully see the time is very important. Okay, in what time, what relation is given, that is very important. Okay, see please. Yes, Pranav, need not solve. Once you get 52, it is not required. 52 is present only in one option. Yes, you can do it. All right. So just give me 2-3 minutes. Please quickly revise the complete age topic. If anything is doubtful, please tell me that in the chat box. I will clear it out. Give me a little bit of time. Hmm. Hmm. How to calculate when age difference is given as product of ages? Meghna didn't understand your doubt. Can you explain, or can you explain your doubt a little bit? Age difference is given as product means. Meghna, is it the same question, or you have given example? Same question or example? You're writing by yourself? Okay. Hmm. Product of ages 240. Twice the age of B is more than A's age by 4 years. Here you will have to take variables only. Without variables, you cannot solve it. Okay. Without variables, it is not possible. For example, the question you are saying now, two persons are there. Let's suppose X and Y is the present age. Suppose. Okay. So the product of ages of A and B is 240. Okay. So first I'm saying suppose X into, Hmm. All right. Please check, is it audible now? All of you, please check. Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay, so you were saying product of ages is 240, and twice the age of B is more than A by 4 years. So two equations we will have to create. Once these two equations are created, either we will solve it by the options, that will be good approach. If options are not helpful, or if you want to just solve it, you will substitute there, you will get a quadratic equation, then you will solve it. Okay, this is the only way. Either options or make a quadratic equation and solve it. You can think like which two numbers have product of 240, like you can think 60 and 4. You're thinking like 20 and 12. So like this, you can think pair of numbers which will give you 240, and whichever pair of numbers satisfy this also, that is your answer. You can do this. 20 and 12. Twice of 20 is 40. 40 minus 12. No, twice of 12. 24. 24 minus 20 will give you 4. Yes, 20, 12 is correct. Okay. So if things are mentioned here and there, that means twice of this is 4 more than this, then you will have to take variables and solve it. There is no other way. Okay. All right. Next discussion is going to be on percentage. Just a minute. All right. So carefully see, please. Percentage. Most of the times in your life, you have calculated a percentage, which is your percentage marks. So how you have calculated your percentage marks? Please answer. Suppose you have got 45 out of 80. So how would you calculate? How would you calculate percentage? Let me write this way, not this. I'm taking one example. Suppose your score is 48. Total marks were 80. How would you calculate? 48 by 100. 48 by 100 into 180. Score divided by total into 100. Okay. So what is your score? 48 out of 80 into 100. All right. So this will give you how much? How much this will give you? 60%. Okay, 60%. So the first thing is, my dear, you have actually converted 48 to percentage. I repeat, you have converted a number to percentage. Whatever percentage you have got, if you want to say it in proper terms, you will say that your marks is 60% of total, 60% of total. This is how you will say. If you just say 60%, it is incomplete information. You should say, I got 60% of total, which is 80. All right. So, answer one more thing. All right. It is not you. A certain student got 48 marks. Out of how much? I am not telling you. Can you answer what is percentage? Can you answer? He got 48. But out of how much? I am not telling you. How come 48%? Why not 60? Maybe he got 48 out of 80. How do you know it is out of 100? So how come 48%? Can't say. Okay, why can't you say? You have to understand it. Why not now percentage calculation is possible? Previously you were able, now you are not able. So what is one value which you don't have? Total value. Okay, so total value. Without this, I cannot calculate percentage. It is not possible. Without this, it is not possible. That's why it is called as base value. Base means something without which it is not possible. So base value. So base value is total marks. All right. Now next thing. Without this, I cannot calculate the percentage. Okay. So in this discussion, this is the base. So without base, percentage calculation is not possible. So not just in this situation, any situation, without base value, there is no percentage calculation possible. Okay, why we call base? Because without the base, there is nothing, right? If this building is there, it is nothing without the base. No base, no building. So the same way, no base, no percentage also. That's why people say it as the base value. So any percentage, here we have the base value 80. So that's why we were able to calculate the percentage. But now it is not possible. So let's write this without base. Without base, percentage calculation is not possible. All right. Okay. So base is very important. My dear, any percentage will have the same structure. The way you have written percentage marks, it will have the same structure. Numerator, denominator into 100. Okay. Now numerator is very simple to understand. Denominator also is very simple to understand. Numerator is more simple. For example, if we are calculating percentage marks, then how many marks you have got is the numerator. If suppose you are calculating percentage profit, then how much is the profit in rupees? That is the numerator. If suppose you are calculating percentage loss, so loss in rupees is the numerator. If suppose you are calculating percentage discount, discount in rupees is the numerator. If suppose you are calculating percentage error, so error is the numerator. If suppose you are calculating percentage increase, increase is the numerator. Percentage decrease, decrease is the numerator. Percentage reduction and percentage reduction is same as increase, decrease. If suppose I say percentage mark up, you will understand it. So markup is the numerator. So numerator and the percentage you are calculating will be just the same thing. One is actual value, one is percentage value. Marks, percentage marks, profit, percentage profit, loss, percentage loss, discount, percentage discount. That's how it goes parallelly. The second thing is the denominator will change depending on the situation. It will change. Denominator is your base value always. Okay. In denominator, we put the base value. Okay. In the case of percentage marks, total marks is the base value. So total marks is the denominator. All right. Now carefully answer one by one. For example, I want to calculate percentage profit. Percentage profit. Your profit, you will always compare with what? You are running a business. You earned a profit. Now you want to calculate percentage profit. So your profit you will always compare with what? Selling price. Don't be a normal shopkeeper. Normal shopkeeper takes selling price. Investment. Investment is the right value. So your profit you will always compare with investment. Suppose you have invested 1 lakh rupees, so you will compare profit with investment. Yes or not? Investment. Selling price is something else. Investment is what you will compare with. Okay. So investment. So investment is the base. Similarly, for loss also will be compared with the investment. Okay, I invested 1 lakh rupees. I lost 5,000 rupees. So 5,000 divided by 1 lakhs. Okay. Discount. Suppose if I say percentage discount. So you are thinking, okay, in the discount discussion, what should be the base? So please answer. Discount is given on what value? When you go to the market, what value? On what value you get discount? MRP, total price. Don't say total price. See MRP, a very clear term. MRP, total price is confusing term. Okay. Don't say selling price. Selling price is after the discount. Okay. On selling price, you don't get discount. Selling price is after the discount. You get discount on MRP. So MRP is the base. So like that, various situations will have different base values. All right. Suppose you are working in a certain company. Okay. You got a hike. Okay. Salary increase. So you got a hike. Okay. Suppose there is a hike of 1 lakh rupees. So now you are calculating the percentage hike, that how much percent I got. I got 1 lakh rupees, but I want percentage. 1 lakh hike. On what value you will compare? 1 lakh hike. What you will compare? Current salary. So current salary is the base. So what is the increase? 1 lakh. What is the current salary? Let's suppose 5 lakhs. So 1 lakh divided by 5 lakh into 100. This is how the base has to be decided. Basically, you just have to think practically that with what value you should compare. Okay, with what value you should compare in that situation. You will understand the base. As simple as this. Okay, so numerator you will compare with what? That is the base. And base value, when you calculate a percentage, base value is denominator. Understand this also. All right. So based on the discussion, I can say the various formulas this way. Suppose I say percentage profit. I will say profit by investment into 100. If I say percentage loss, I will say loss by investment into 100. If I say percentage discount, it will be how much discount in rupees divided by MRP into 100. If I say percentage increase, so how much increase divided by current value or initial value into 100. The same goes for decrease also. For decrease also, same thing. So how much decrease divided by current value into 100. All right. Suppose if I ask you percentage error. So error divided by what you will say into 100. Answer please. You will compare error with what? You will compare error with what? In laboratory, you used to do experiments, right? So there you used to get various values while measuring something, right? So one value we used to say actual, one value we used to say measured value, one value we used to say true value, one value we used to say expected value. Now don't use all these terms. These are engineering terms, so it might be confusing right now. So I am saying two things. Either a value is correct or incorrect. So please answer. You got some error. You will compare with correct value or incorrect value. What makes sense? What makes sense? Don't use expected, unexpected like this. Okay. Correct value makes sense. Okay. So error is always compared with correct value. So correct value is the base. All right. So correct value is the base. Correct value is actually called as expected value also. Okay. So in the books you might see, but yes, I use the term correct value. All right. Now carefully answer one thing. Percentage marks, let's go again back to the same discussion. Suppose you got 48 marks out of 100. So how much percent? 48 out of 100. How much percent? 48. 65 out of 100. How much percent? 65. Okay, 73 out of 100. How much percent? 73. Why is it same? I'm saying 73, you are saying 73%. I'm saying 65, you are saying 65%. I'm saying 48, you are saying, sir, 48%. You are correct, but why? What is the reason? What is the reason that actual value, percentage value, both are same? Out of 100. Don't say out of 100, say base value is 100, sir. Okay, similarly answer this. My dear, investment is also called as cost price, okay? Suppose you have done an investment of 100 rupees. There is a profit of 10 rupees. Investment of 100 rupees, profit of 10 rupees. How much percentage profit? 10%. Okay. There is a profit of 13 rupees. How much percentage profit? 13%. Okay. Now reverse question. If suppose there is a profit percent of 27%, how much rupees is the profit? Reverse question. 27 rupees. Okay. Similarly, I can say for loss also. So my dear, please answer. Best value I'm saying for base. What is that? Base can be this also, base can be this also, base can be MRP also, base can be current value also, base can be correct value also. I am saying suppose I have to choose a value by myself. It is allowed. So what value will I choose? What is the best? In terms of percentage calculations, 100. So have you got the reason why 100 is best? Understood, all of you. Very important. Without 100, I will not proceed. All right. 100 is the best value. Okay. Why 100 is the best value is because percentage marks and marks will be same. Percentage profit, profit will be same. Percentage loss, loss will be same. Percentage discount and discount in rupees will be same. Percentage increase and increase will be same. Percentage error and error value will be same. That is the importance of 100. All right. But suppose if I take 150, can you answer directly? Suppose if I say there is a profit of 10 rupees, can you say in 1 second how much profit? In 1 second? No. If I say 20 rupees, can you say in 1 second? No. So now you cannot say, but if it is 100 within 1 second, you can say, sir, 10 rupees, 10%, 20 rupees, 20%, 25 rupees, 25%. Only with 100, it is possible. All right. So let me write this. Please carefully see when a percentage is given, when a percentage is given in the question, please remember this. Then first identify the base. I mean situation wise, whether it is profit loss situation, whether it is discount situation, error situation, based on that identify what is the base and then assume it as 100 or 100x. All right. So this is what we are going to do nearly in 90% of the questions. Okay. So please remember this. I will see in the question whether a percentage is given or not. When a percentage is given, any percentage will have a base. Any percentage will have a base value. Okay, so I will identify. So for that, I will not see the question. For example, percentage loss question, percentage profit loss question. So I know investment is the base. So I will see what percentage is given. In that discussion, what is the base, I will try to recall. Question will not tell you. Where question will tell you, will say. But first I will identify the base. And then once I identify this, for example, investment is the base. So investment, take it as 100. Suppose, let's say the salary of A is the base. Suppose I identified the salary of A is the base. Okay. So I will take it as 100. So once I identify the base, I will take it as 100. Okay. If 100 is not a good value, then what to do in that case? We'll see later. But where to take 100 is when percentage is integer, then we will take 100. If it is decimal, suppose like 22.5%, then I will not take 100, because 100 and 22.5% will complicate the calculation. Okay, 22.5. In that case, we'll do something else. But yes, suppose 13, 14, 15, 16 integers are there in percentage, I will definitely take 100. So how this will be taken, we'll see in the next session. So next session, we'll try to complete this topic. This percentage topic will go a little bit longer because percentage is very vast. We will go with percentage. In that, will not take profit loss question. Then percentage specific topic will be profit loss discount. So that will go on the second day. Then third day we will take simple interest. Fourth day we will take compound interest. So like that we attendance again. All right. Please quickly take your attendance and get ready for the next class. Thank you.